Hello everyone, my name is Antoinette C. Pahanoy from BSEC 3A, and in ECE 36, I am tasked to show to you on how to manage, to set up, and configure my own Arduino board in Windows in my personal computer. But first, let me show to you on how to download the necessary USB driver and the Arduino application. First, we just need to go onto our search button in here so we can input Arduino download, and then that's it. It will show to you this first and only software that you can see that I showed you in this arrow. You click that one, and once it open a different page that looks like this, you go back, you go down, and then it will show you a lot of information about Arduino and all that. There are some cases that is paid, and there are also offer that we can just get it for free. So and how to do that, we just need to go on this part of the page, and then we go to download options. Click the Windows 10 and the newer for 64 bits. Once we click that, it will show you a next page in here. So there's a lot of information of helping the development of the nation or anything like that, like this amount. But we can just continue and just download this. And then it will show to you guys here of course, the running download MB that we have already. Then once it's done, we can go ahead and install it by later. So anyway, we can just wait for a few minutes until it will be until the download will be completed. Because after which, once the download has been completed, I'll show you on how to install the driver and configure the settings on the Arduino application. All right, so we have already finished downloading driver installer, and then we go ahead and install this one. Click on these, and then we just need to follow certain instructions successfully install it. All right, so here we click on agree. All right, next, the next. Okay, we'll wait for a few minutes until it will be installed. We'll wait a few more minutes again for this. Okay, so now we have here, we can click on finish, will load up, and then it will open the application right after. Okay, go. We're almost there. Okay, I'll allow access. We click on that. Allow access again, and then we'll wait until it popped up completely. Okay, so it opened now. So this is the newest version of the feature of the Arduino. So this is the latest version, 2.0.0. So now we need to go to our file and configure some features of this Arduino application. We may need to go to examples, and then we go basic since that was being instructed to us, and then we click on blink for us to. All right, now we're going to open a new window for the Arduino application. Now we have it here. Perfect. Now we may need to change some setup according to the given instructions. Now we go to board, we go to Arduino AVR boards, and then we go to Arduino Uno. For the port, we haven't yet connected anything. So we may need to connect first our Arduino board to our computer so that it will show the option. And we can double check that one later. Now we go ahead of connecting our Arduino. I have here my Arduino Uno. So this is what I bought in a local store here nearby. And as what you can see, the LED here shows on, will show on, and this one is L here that shows will be built in. You can see. Now let us connect this. This is a cable port for this Arduino board. Connect that to this cable, just the cable that we have connected to this. And then we're going to connect this USB cable to the port in our personal computer. We have it here, and then it will sound something that be a little light sound, like that. Now, as what you can see, it lit up for the on and for the low. So it's ready for configuring. And we may need to at least set up a Blink program or sample Blink program by then. We'll put it there. Now we'll go ahead and set up the Blink program. We go back here to our this need to configure some settings first, or we manage to run a sample program. We go to the manage, then we go to device manager, and then we go to port. We click on the USB serial for 3. So that is gone. This is this device working properly. Now we go back to our Arduino Blink program earlier. So we did configured some of the settings, and then we go to port, and then we'll choose COM4 according to what we have earlier, right? So now it's ready for setup. We may need to discuss to you first some of the functions here. So we have the information given. The setup function runs once when you press set or power the board. So we already power up the board. And in order to run a sample Blink program, we need to set the delay for 250 milliseconds for the on and 100 milliseconds for the off or low. In order for me to identify that I have demonstrated the proper or I have configured properly an Arduino board, so we may need to indicate those certain values here. So the loop functions runs over and over again forever. So this is the void loop function. Digital write here means it gives signal to the LED built in that can be high or low. And then the pin mode function that we have here it function as our built-in LED output. So we can identify by then later if we have successfully configured our Arduino board. Now we'll change the delay as what we have told, as what we are told, for 250. And then for the low, it will be 100. All right, so we got it here. And when we click the file to save and verify it, if you got some error and all that, okay, so it's done compiling. Now we go ahead and upload it. All right, upload complete, which means that the TX or is what we have here, the on, and the low what you have seen here, turned receive, and identify that the program has been configured in Arduino Uno application. And our Blink program is successfully completed. It turns on 250 milliseconds and it turns off 100 milliseconds. And I guess that's it for this video. And again, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Goodbye.